magkakaroon ng Free Tertiary Education Act even if Bam Aquino is not around. You taking credit, all the credit, is undermining the kind of leadership that PRRD exhibited during that time. The political will that was never matched by your Tita Cory, by Pinoy, by Bongbong Marcos. That is why we're not gonna take this sitting down. At tinalaga nilang sponsor si Bam Aquino kasi siya yung chairperson ng Education, Arts and Culture. Si Loren Legarda, chairperson din siya ng Committee on Finance. Okay, pwede rin si Loren Legarda actually. So, what does that mean? Ibig sabihin, kung indisposed si Bam, kung hindi po pwede si Bam, kung hindi siya available or whatsoever, Senator Loren Legarda can just take over. Kasi pagka chairperson ka, it's your job to be the sponsor, ano?
Pwedeng maging isang ganap na batas ang isang bill kapag hindi mapirmahan o ma-veto ng Pangulo sa loob ng 30 araw ng pagkakatanggap nito.
Idiots! The signature of PRRD is not the main question here. The initiative of PRRD to sign it and fund it is the one that made this law possible. Remember, the enrolled bill was transmitted to the President around July of 2017. It was signed into law August of 2017. At that time, tapos na po ang National Expenditure Program. At that time, nagdi-deliberate na po ng budget ang Kongreso. Ibig sabihin, if the President would just allow this to lapse into law, hindi yan makakasama sa 2018 budget. Kasi 2017 yung deliberation para sa 2018 budget eh. It's gonna go back to the Congress to fund that specific program when? It cannot happen in 2018 kasi 2017 na yan eh. So ngayon, 2017, hindi na yan kasali sa budget deliberation ng 2018. So ngayon, 2018, doon pa lang yan iti-take into consideration ng mga ahensya na involved dito sa pagpapatupad nitong batas na ito. And at that point, magde-decide si Congress kung magkano ang budget na ilalaan niya para dyan. So, ang earliest possible time kung naglaps yan into law, makinig ka Philippine Star para hindi nyo kami binobobo, is 2019 pa. Kasi 2018 pa lang siya pupunduhan. Anong sabi ni Bam Aquino? Nagulat nga ako eh, kasi minority ako. Pero pinirmahan ng Pangulo, fully funded, fully implemented. Researching is very simple. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi nyo magawa. Ilang beses na naming sinasabi na ang free education had been lobbied ever since the world began. Punta kayo sa Senate website, punta kayo pinakamaaga, 13th Congress. Ayan o, Regional Subsidized College Education Program, Philippine Free Education System Act of 2004, Philippine Education for Handicapped Children, Free Education Classes for Physically Disabled, Free Education for Handicapped, Free Public Preparatory Education, Free Preparatory Education of 2004. This is what we're telling you, ano? Ang daming nagsulong nito before Bam Aquino. Bam Aquino happened to be at the right place at the right time. Pagkatapos, ginawa nyo ng santo. San nanggagaling ang kapal ng mukha ninyo, Philippine Star, to say that it is gonna be a law and it's going to be implemented the way PRRD implemented it? Kung binayaran nyo to si Philippine Star para magsinungaling sa inyo, Bam Aquino, i-fire nyo na to. May deceit kasi nung panahon ng kampanya in which hindi masyadong pinansin ng mga Duterte supporters. Sabi ko nga, medyo late na nga ito yung reaction ng mga Duterte supporters, medyo late na nga ito Pero had we talk about this before the election, Bam could have not won. I'm not saying I am not okay Bam winning. I am okay Bam winning. Nanalo na si Bam nandito na tayo, and all we need to do is to straighten up the conversation with facts. So ngayon, nagamit nyo na. Ano pang sisirain kay Bam? So kayo, kung pinagbibintangan nyo kaming mga Duterte supporters na merong disinformation campaign laban kay Bam Aquino, ineme, ganyan. Alam nyo, pag sinabi nyo disinformation campaign, you have to identify first ano yung disinformation. We started talking about facts. Pagkatapos, naaapektuhan at maraming nagigising sa katotohanan na si Bam Aquino naman pala is not crucial nor pivotal dito sa pagpasa ng Free Tertiary Education Act. Feeling ninyo, sinisiraan na si Bam. Let me process your feelings. Kinampanya ninyo na si Bam ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng Free Tertiary Education Act. Kinontra namin with facts. This is not disinformation. This is information war. Ang kinontra namin dito ay hindi yung katotohanan. Kasi sinasabi nga namin yung totoo eh. Ang kinontra namin dito ay yung feelings ninyo na si Bam Aquino ang hero of free education. Yun ang kinontra namin dito. Ang kinontra namin dito ay ang inyong pagsisinungaling.